Hello everyone, welcome to Color Our World of Art. We're making Origami Dog today. These are the materials. First, let's take our square paper and fold it in half diagonally into a triangle. Then unfold it and repeat the fold on the opposite corners to form two creases, making a big X in the middle. Then fold the paper into half into a rectangle. Unfold and repeat in the other direction to form a big plus crease in the middle of the paper. Now fold one corner to match it up to the center point formed by the creases. Repeat for the other three corners to form a folded square with 4 triangle flaps. Now unfold one flap, but instead of unfolding it completely, fold it outwards around 2 mm away from the widest part of the flap. Then unfold the corner opposite that and fold it in half horizontally before folding it over to the center again. Then fold the whole structure in half lengthwise with the 2 folded corners at the start and end of the fold. Then open it up and unfold one corner to fold a diagonal crease starting from the corner of the folded square and ending at half mark of the double folded corner. Fold the corner back into a triangle and crease. Repeat on the other side. Fold out the double folded corner. Then using a marker, draw an eye and a nose for the dog on the double folded corner we just unfolded as shown in the video. Repeat on the other side. And that's it! Follow the steps to create an even bigger army of dogs! Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.